Bonk price prediction as market cap falls below $1 billion. Will Bonk keep falling? Simon Chandler last updated February 6, 2024 at 12:40 GMT plus 23 min read. Source: Midjourney. The Bonk price has barely moved in the past 24 hours, remaining at 1,011 cents as the crypto market as a whole also holds still today. Bonk is now down by 15% in a week and by 5% in a month, with the meme coin's recent falls pushing its fully diluted market valuation, for example maximum supply X price below $1 billion. In fact, Bonk market cap current supply X price has been below $1 billion since the middle of January, with its current level of $615 million underlining the extent to which the coin has fallen out of favor. Yet with analysts expecting a bull market later this year, and with Bonk remaining fairly popular as a vehicle for whales, it could make a comeback eventually. Bonk price prediction as market cap falls below $1 billion. Will Bonk keep falling? Bonk chart continues to show weakness, with its indicators signaling a loss of momentum that could worsen some more before a recovery arrives. For instance, the coin's relative strength index purple has slipped below 40 as part of a steady decline since mid-January, and it could continue falling towards 30 or even lower before Bonk rallies, with the coin's price also recently falling below its 30-day moving average yellow. This fall below the 30-day often signals further incoming falls, although it may not be long before the current decline bottoms out. Yet one thing that's particularly worrying with Bonk is that its 24-hour trading volume has all but dried up, falling from just over $500 million in mid-January to about $43 million today. That's a massive 91% decline, one which suggests that interest in Bonk has more or less vanished in a matter of weeks. The data suggests that there hasn't been a significant transfer of Bonk to or from exchanges in a month, with the last being a purchase of 3.29 billion Bonk on January 9. The whale above is still holding on to 314 billion Bonk, however, something which may indicate an expectation that the coin will rally again. Yet it seems that the meme token will need a market-wide rally before it can begin rising again, given that it lacks fundamentals of its own. Such a rally may follow, or precede, the Bitcoin halving in April, with the Bonk price potentially returning to 20 cents around this time. Meme tokens with fundamentals. For traders worried that Bonk may never return to former heights, there are other high-potential meme tokens in the market right now. One example with better prospects than most is Sponge, an ERC20 cryptocurrency first that listed and boomed on centralized exchanges in April 2023. It has just launched second version of its token, Sponge, having discontinued the first version yesterday. The reason for the update is that Sponge features a revamped staking model, while it will also be the native token of a play-to-earn racing game. The upcoming game will enable players to compete with each other and rank on a global leaderboard, with the game paying out Sponge tokens to the most successful. What's particularly bullish about Sponge is that its new staking model is more generous than before, with the protocol paying out 245% APY at the moment. This rate fluctuates depending on how many tokens users stake and for how long, and it could even rise higher. While it's now too late to stake Sponge tokens to claim the newer and current version, interested investors can still buy Sponge by going to the official Sponge website. Over the coming weeks, Sponge will list on various exchanges, where it could experience a rally that outdoes the surge its predecessor experienced last year. Buy Sponge here. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.